the Tweenies! Sneezing!
Achoo!
Tweenie clock, where will it stop?
I want to buy one first.
5 currant buns in a baker's shop, round and fat with a cherry on the top. Along came Milo with a penny one day, bought a currant bun and took it away.
Right, I have to say who comes up next time.
Okay, who buys the currant bun next then, Milo?
A monkey!
A monkey?
Yeah, and Bella has to be the monkey! Let's sing!
4 currant buns in a baker's shop, round and fat with a cherry on the top. Along came a monkey with a penny one day, bought a currant bun and took it away. Me next! Me next! This time it's a tortoise, and Fizz has to be it. Oh, a tortoise? Fizz? 3 currant buns in a baker's shop, round and fat with a cherry on the top. Along came a tortoise with a penny one day. Come on, Fizz, get a move on. Well, a tortoise can't move very fast, Stella. Oh, I forgot to say it was wearing rollerblades. Oh, that's just silly.
Bought a currant bun and took it away.
All right, it's my turn to choose. It's a tiger.
Oh.
For Jakey.
Yeah!
2 currant buns in a baker's shop, round and fat with a cherry on the top. Along came a tiger with a penny one day, bought a currant bun and took it away.
Just one currant bun left, and Milo, you have to be a bee.
Buzzaroonie!
1 currant bun in a baker's shop, round and fat with a cherry on the top. Along came a bee with a penny one day, bought a currant bun and took it away.
Yeah, but I'm a big swarm of bees, and I'm going to chase everyone!
Buzz off, Milo! Buzz off!
Oh, no, don't sting.
Buzz off!
Ah, buzz away!
Achoo!
Oh, dear me. I just don't know what to do with myself. I wonder what I can do. I think I'll go and see Fizz. Ah, yes.
Nice. Hello, Jay.
Oh, hello. What are you doing, Fizz?
Oh, I'm making a necklace. I want it to be really pretty, so I'm painting the pasta first, like this.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to put this glitter on it.
Yeah.
Oh, and then when it's dry, I'll string it all together. Want to help?
No. I don't want to make a necklace.
Oh, okay, Jake.
I wonder what Bella's doing.
Tea for you and tea for me. You sit down, I'll stand.
Hi, Bella. What are you doing?
I'm bathing an elephant, Jake.
Really?
What does it look like I'm doing? I'm having a tea party and he can't come in because it's for toys only, in private.
Well, I don't want to come, Bella.
Oh, sorry about that. It's my next door neighbour. He's only little.
Why?
Are you still there, Jake?
Milo looks busy.
Oh, turn it on, John! Vroom, vroom, vroom. Oh, hello, mate. Have you come for your memo tea?
What? No. What's he doing?
Oh, I'm fixing a truck. This is a garage, and I'm the garage man, and I'll fix them when they're broken, see?
But that truck wasn't broken, Milo.
Oh, yeah, I know, but, well, I had to break it so I could fix it. Huh?
Oh, I see.
Achoo! Oh, something in my eyes. Achoo!
Whoa!
Dear, the dust is getting to me. Oh, Oh, excuse me.
Hi, Max. Oh, have you got a cold?
No, Jake. It's the dust. It gets up my nose and it makes me.
Oh, can I help you clean, Max? I can swish with that feathery thingy.
Well, yes, if you like, Jake.
Great.
Don't you want to play with the others?
Oh, no, not really.
Yeah.
Can I use that feathery thingy to get rid of the dust for you, Max? My mum sometimes lets me do it at home.
Oh, well, I suppose so, young Jake. This is a feather duster. Now, you could go around all the areas dusting away all those spooky cobwebs.
Yeah.
I'll join you in a minute and follow you around. I'll sweep up with me dustpan and brush.
Come on, Dusty.
Dusty?
Dusty Springclean.
Oh. Achoo!
Right, Dusty, it's time for your dinner. I'm going to feed you lots of dust and dirt. You love that, don't you? Come on then, Dusty. Dum 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 dum. Oh, look at all the dirt to clean up. La 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 la. La la. Whoops. Oh,
Jake, what are you doing?
I'm helping Max. Won't be long. La 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 la.
No, Jake!
What?
Oh, no, I've lost something.
Oh,
have you seen it?
What is it, Milo?
A screw. I've lost a screw.
Oh, I've heard Bella saying that about you before, Milo.
No, silly, not a screw for me. A screw for the truck. I bet you swished it away, Jake.
Clean your
Stop.
face.
This is really silly, Jake.
Clean away.
Now what do I do?
You know, indeed, are you? Oh, hello. What are you doing then,
Almost done.
Jake?
Oh, Max, Jake's just lost my screw.
Oh, of all the things.
Achoo!
Whoa!
Oh, bless you. Oh, dear. Oh, well, I'm sure it'll turn up, Milo. Oh, go on, Jake. Move on to another area and leave Milo alone, eh? all right?
Well, I finished here anyway. La 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 la. Come on, Dusty. Time for more dinner.
Oh, no. Achoo!
Oh, no. Achoo!
5 currant buns in the baker's shop. I am cleaning a Mr. Mop. Excuse me, Fizz.
Oh, Jake, do you have to? I'm busy working here.
La 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 la
Max. Oh, look,
Over
Jake, I'm a
here.
little bit busy.
Sorry, Fizz. Won't be a moment.
There we go, around
Jake's just
here.
trying to help, Fizz.
Oh, sorry, Fizz. I'm helping Max. Excuse me, Fizz. That's
Jake,
it.
stop it. Keep it on the floor.
Oh, sorry, Fizz. I have to do the table. La 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 la.
Oh, Jake, I don't believe you did that. You scattered all the bits of my necklace. That was so silly.
I'll just clean here then. I just-
Oh, Jake, careful.
Oh, I didn't mean it.
Oh, Jake, you're a silly fool.
Oh.
I don't know. I suppose I'll have to get something now and clean it all up. Then.
Whoa.
Bless you. Oh, look, maybe you should move on, Jake. Sorry, Fizz. Shall I sweep it up for you?
No. I mean, it's okay, Max. I'll do it.
I'm afraid Jake's in a bit of a land of make-believe at the moment.
Well, I finished here now. Come on, Dusty. Now it's time for your pudding. Ha ha.
You've got to have your sandwich just before you have your cake.
Bella, I've come to clean and dust. I'm helping Max.
But not in here, Jake. I'm having a tea party.
Yeah, but Max asked me to help him. Didn't you, Max?
Huh? What? Well,
Jake,
Dun, dun, dun,
will you
dun,
just
dun.
go and dust somewhere
La
else?
la 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 la. Whoa!
Oh, Jake.
Ooh, what have I done to deserve this?
I'm going to close my eyes and count to 10.
What?
Jake,
bit more
how
clean.
could you? You've ruined my tea party.
Ah!
Achoo! Achoo!
Whoa, gazunti! Come on, we're not wanted here. Oh, Dusty, I only want to be with you.
Huh?
Right then, let's look for a place where there's lots of dust. In and out those dusty bluebells. In and out those dusty bluebells. In and out those dusty bluebells. Oh, hi.
Jake, where am I?
Oh.
I don't have enough pasta to finish my
Hang on, it's not my fault. I'm just cleaning.
Oh, there's no point getting it, Jake. Hold on. I don't want to hear any more.
No, but
Now, let's just sort this out.
Oh, no. It's gonna go. Stand back.
Out. Oh, dear, it's the dust making.
Oh, no. Not again.
again.
Run. Quick.
Oh, dear.
It's Jake!
Right. Tissues. 1, 2, 3, and...
We're all sneezing, achoo! Sneezing, achoo! Sneezing 'cause the dust is out our noses. Sneezing, achoo! Sneezing, achoo! Bella, Milo, Max and even Fizzes.
I'm dusting today 'cause the dust is in the corners, under chairs and behind the TV set. Yeah, dusting today. Dusting today. I'm helping Max to tidy, but we've not finished yet.
The dust, it makes me sneeze! Achoo! Achoo! Sneeze until we wheeze! Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
Oh, pass a tissue, please. Achoo, 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 achoo. Sneeze, sneeze, sneeze. Achoo!
We're all
Sneezing, achoo! Sneezing, achoo!
sneezing 'cause the dust is out our
Noses. Sneezing, achoo! Sneezing, achoo!
Bella, Milo, Max and even Fizzes.
Come on, Dusty, lots more cleaning to do. I'm cleaning today 'cause the dust is in the corners, under cushions and behind the TV set. Dusting today, dusting today. I'm helping Max to tidy, but we've not finished yet.
Sneezing, achoo! Sneezing, achoo!
Sneezing 'cause the dust is out our noses. Sneezing,
Achoo! Sneezing, achoo!
Bella, Milo, Max and even Fizzes.
Right. I think we all need to calm down. Jake, you go and press the clock.
Right then.
Dear.
Tweenie, look. Where will it stop?
Story time! Achoo!
Tweenie.
Oh, Jakey, put that duster away. It's still making us sneeze.
Oh, sorry, Dusty. You ain't here.
Okay, right. Today's story's called Something's Coming. Right. Something's coming, said Elephant, sitting up. Nothing's coming, said Frog, sleepily.
Oh, look, he woke Froggy up.
That's right. Something's coming, said Elephant. Nothing's coming, said Little Rabbit. Something's coming, said Elephant. Nothing's coming, said Frog and Little Rabbit together.
I can't hear anything coming.
I'm sure something's coming, said Elephant. Little Rabbit pushed back the blanket and looked out of the box.
Ooh, can he see anything? Achoo!
Oh, bless you, Bella. I don't know. Oh, if Elephant thinks there's something coming, we'll never get any sleep until we've found out what it is. Come on, let's have a look round.
Yeah.
And with the others following close behind, Little Rabbit climbed out of the box and dropped silently onto the floor. It was very quiet in the moonlit room.
Achoo! Oh, sorry.
They crept to the door and listened, but there was no sound of anything coming. They climbed onto the windowsill and peered out, but there was no sight of anything coming. Nothing's coming at all. Achoo! They looked up the chimney, they looked in the cupboards, they looked under the sofa, they looked everywhere. See, said Little Rabbit, nothing's coming, not a single thing. Elephant raised his trunk. Something's coming, he insisted. I can feel it. Then what is it? Asked Frog. It's
It's a achoo!
An elephant sneezed so hard that Frog and Little Rabbit went flying across the room.
It's a sneeze! He had a sneeze coming.
And landed in a tangled heap in the corner. Oh, is that what was coming? Asked Little Rabbit, picking herself up.
Yes.
Said Elephant.
Achoo!
And he sneezed again, even harder than before.
I knew something was coming.
Said Elephant, breathing deeply through his nice clear trunk.
Oh, let's go back to bed now.
And soon they were fast asleep.
It was a big sneeze. Oh.
Jake, we've been sneezing for ages, and we think it was you that was making the dust fly around.
Yeah, Dusty Rooney Rooney.
Oh, it wasn't me.
Hello, I'm back. Have you been having a story?
Yeah, a sneezing story.
Oh, have you been busy with the duster then?
Jake has been helping Matt.
I did, Judy. Dusty and I got rid of all the dust.
And my sweet.
And bits of necklace with glitter on them.
Yes, and a very important screw.
Oh, what have you been up to?
Making us all sneeze with the dust.
Well, no, I wasn't. I was giving Dusty her dinner.
Dusty?
Yeah, Dusty Springclean. She ate up all the dust, so there was no dust left.
No, Jake. Dusters don't eat up the dust. Well, they just, move it around. And sometimes the dust gets up people's noses.
Yes,
Certainly got up our noses.
Oh, it was Dusty all the time. Oh, naughty Dusty. You weren't eating your dinner, were you? You were making everyone sneeze when I thought you were cleaning. Oh, hey, let's all clean.
We're all cleaning today, 'cause the dust is in the corners, under cushions and behind the TV set. Cleaning today, we're helping Max to tidy, but we've not finished yet. Oh, sneezing, achoo! Sneezing, achoo! Sneezing 'cause the dust is above. Noses, sneezing, achoo! Sneezing, achoo! Bella, Mala, Max, and even Fidgets.
Oh, come on, Dusty. Let's put you away. Ha ha.
Achoo!
That's better.